So I'm just looking around, trying to find a cheap dirt bike, you know. And then I was on Amazon and I run across this Syx Moto dirt bike. So I was like, alright, I'll check it out. It's $300 plus $50 shipping. Like, that's not bad at all. And then I was like, you know, might as well just get it. So bought it. One thing I didn't expect about this bike, how much fun I would have.
Save me from misery. Can you save my broken soul? Save me from misery. Now my time don't wanna go.
What's going on, guys? Bataha here, and we got the Syx Moto here. It just arrived in the mail, and we're gonna be unboxing this thing and putting it together. So $300 plus $50 for shipping, and it came in 2 days. So that's pretty good. And this thing weighs about, I'd say, around 50 pounds. And you have two little cutouts here. You could easily carry this as one person, but you could get two people. So first thing you want to do is grab a soda, and you can listen to some music or something, because this might take a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all just kind of inside the box. It does come packaged pretty nicely. Some styrofoam on the sides, top, bottom, and we'll go ahead and take it out. Pretty much what you need to install from the looks of it is your rear shock is hanging down here, and you need the handlebars, and your front tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and get at it, and let me open this box real quick. I have no clue what's in here. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Comes with a little mixer. That's pretty nice, actually. Here's your front fender nameplate, or a little number plate, and oh, it even comes with some tools to install. That's pretty nice. It's like a little carburetor, drain hose, top of the steering clamps. For a second that tripped me up. And this looks like this goes on the top of the steering, or your handlebars. That little rubber piece, that's like pretty hard, actually. So got all of those. This actually is pretty nice, man. Like, I'm gonna see if I can build it with just, you know, these wrenches and stuff. This little toolkit that was included, and I didn't know it actually came with one of these. So that'll save you, you know, from buying an actual one. So we'll see all in a bit. It tells you, you know, what to use, which you can see right there, rear suspension. It shows you that. Same with the handlebar and all that other things. So you just put these on there, and then you put the handlebars on, just this and this, and then these four right there, and make sure to tighten them opposite of each other. So tighten that one, then that one, then that one, then that one. And then for the front tire, I just stuck my bike up on a bucket, but make sure like your kickstand's on the side. And it's probably not too good to keep it on a bucket like this, but you know, it is what it is. Front brake was pretty easy, but once you get it off, you know, on the bucket, you can just lift this up. You have two small spacers. The bigger spacer goes on the left, the small one on the right there. And then you install your brake by, once you put the wheel on, take this red brake and you just push it up towards here, and then you put this little screw in and then tighten that one a little bit. We got everything installed the correct way with using just these tools. Here's what I'll say. These wrenches, they freaking suck. It's literally really painful putting on the front. This nut and this bolt, with just these, you like hurt your hands. So if you actually just have a wrench, use that instead. But I did do it with these, so it's possible. And then the only other thing I had to use was, what size is this? 3/16 Allen key. Because on the back of here, for your suspension, if you're spinning this one, the other one's gonna spin as well. So you gotta hold that one with the one that comes with it, and then use this one. So really, other than that, I just did it with those tools. So yeah, I'd say it takes you 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes for this thing. Really, it's not even that hard. You can use the instructions, which there's not a whole lot in the instructions about what to do. It just kind of tells you how to do it. It doesn't tell you how to put that stuff together. You can see these. But there are videos out there, but I just decided to do it on my own. So I'm thinking I should probably put some gas in this thing and fire it up. This thing's kind of nice, so it's kind of hard to see, but it even gives you the things for 40 to 1, 20 to 1, 25 to 1, 50 to 1. There's this one little spot that you're supposed to stop right here, and then it shows you like all your 50 to 1. It's really hard to see, sorry guys, but like 50 to 1, 40 to 1, 25 to 1, and like it shows you. So I just filled this up. It says use like 91 or something, but non-ethanol is going to be better for the carburetor, so that's what I use. And then the only two-stroke oil I got is this Kawasaki racing oil. So I'm going to go ahead and dump some of that in here. Make sure we get this right. Make sure to get a rag too. You don't want this going all over your garage floor. So perfect. You really can't see that, but right on that line, 25 to 1. So you can go ahead and close up the cap. Make sure you shake it. So you're gonna wanna be careful when you do this. I'm just gonna hope that, yeah, hopefully that's good enough. Just gonna take a shot in the dark. Pray that the gas tank is about the size of this. I think they'd make it like that. And we're gonna dump this whole thing in there. Oh, please don't spill. Dang it. Oh my goodness, that was literally like perfect. That's about as one of those as you can see right there at the top. See that? like that black, that's gas. So it pretty much fills it up all the way. And screw this on. So here's my other pit bike. Seat height on this thing is about 34 inches. Alright. Chinese as well, bought it off of Amazon. So you can kind of see that one is on a stand, but you can definitely see the difference. And then big bike on the side. So it's pretty small, yeah, but it's definitely a good size for a kid or something. Sounds like it's getting close. Man, that's a nasty little exhaust on there, bro. It sounds good. Yeah. That sounds nasty. I'm just gonna let it idle for a little while. You know, it's always good to let it idle a bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, dang it. Forgot the gas. Dang it, my handlebars went. Alright. That was fun.